Good morning all. Today's discussion is about machine hour rate. MHR is a cost of accounting measure used to determine the cost of operating a machine for 1 hour. It helps in calculating the manufacturing overheads that should be charged to production based on machine usage. Means here we are actually calculating the machine hours, mean how much the machine worked, for how many hours it got worked, okay, how many hours we utilized, okay. So and we again calculating cost for that 1 hour, okay. So the machine hour rate equal to total factory overheads for the machine by total machine hours is formula to calculate the machine hours, okay. But why we need to calculate this machine hours specifically? Because we have to utilize every asset efficiently, right? So we should know how much we are getting profit from each and one asset. So machine is also considered as an asset, right? So that is the reason the utilization of that machine and the consumption hours of that machine and the profit we are getting from that machine, and also the depreciation of that machine, and again the repairs, the lubricants, the total overheads we are getting from that machine, everything we should calculate so that we can arrive to the exact profit. So let us discuss the components of machine hour rate. Generally this includes fixed costs and as well as variable costs, okay. So coming to fixed costs like standing charges, rent and rates of factories, okay, and insurance of machinery. When we buy a machinery we should also insure it, right? So that cost also we should consider here. And again supervisor's salary, okay, and the that machine operator will be there, no, his salary, and the depreciation, that fixed portion, okay, and lightening and heating here, that is also fixed. So these will be coming and falling under the fixed cost. And coming to variable cost, running charges, these are like power and fuel, means these are variable costs, means month on month the cost will be varies, okay. Sometimes we might utilize that machine continuously, or sometimes we use only for 15 days and we keep it idle for another 15 days, or we use only 25% of its capacity, whatever it may be. So that is the reason this cost is variable, okay, power and fuel. Sometimes if factory is not getting sufficient power due to low voltage or due to power cuts or due to some machine blockage, then the power and fuel will not be utilized as much as we are using the in regular periods, okay. So that is the reason this is a variable cost, okay. And then repairs and maintenance, so every month we need not to pay for repairs, right? Of course maintenance we do, but not repairs, right? So that is why it is falling under variable cost. And lubricants and consumables, we all know lubricants means the machine oils, the grease we use for the efficient functioning of the machine, okay. That will be falling under the this variable cost. And depreciation, this is very common, year on year the machine value will be depreciated because of wear and tear, we already know that. So that also will be falling under this variable cost. So while coming to the depreciation, there will be some fixed portion and there will be some variable portion also will be there based upon the running, the usage of that machine. So it will be taken only for usage based portion, okay. If we utilized for this month, then we will be considering that, because in factory there will be many machines, machine A, machine B, machine C. So for each and every machine we should calculate separately based upon the usage of such machine, then only we can arrive to the right profits.